Here it is. Teng Tools sent us the 569-piece toolkit.
569?
We don't need 569, we just need a 10 mil.
Damn, Teng Tools, do you guys need help putting this together?
Yeah, dude, you wanna help us?
That's a lot of tools, dude.
I like that.
Listen, man. Listen, man. Listen, man.
Is that Teng Tools?
Yeah, come check it out.
Dude. Wait, it's not open.
Check this out. Go ahead.
Damn. Dude, this is like,
Dude, that's just the first row, dude. Open
this
up
is
everything.
the mall right now, but what?
We have literally everything.
Everything. Is that, what?
Test it out, dude.
Can
test
I?
it. Yeah, test it out.
Dude, I've been wanting to test something. Can I? Like,
Yeah,
use
you
it right
can.
now? Wait, it's not working.
I got you. Now we can see it.
We're finally done, dude. We can finally get the 10 mil, Randy.
Wait, there's no 10 mils.
Damn it!